Welcome to part 2 of the boat shop tour. We're going to start off with talking about these Continentals I have in here. This one I got up from Edwardsburg, Michigan, and it was last tagged in Maine in 2015. As you can see, it's got all the chrome in the windshield, which is very important. These windshields are really hard to find. Here we have the original build sheet. You can see was a 26-foot Continental. Originally came with a Hemi, which is unusual. I do have the Hemi. Can have that rebuilt. Hopefully I won't run into problems there. Anyway, the original build sheet, this thing was built 6/29, 1958, and went to Lake Champlain, Port Henry, New York. Kind of neat little history. These build sheets I use quite often to find out some of the small details that they did, and when they ordered these boats, try and bring them back as much as to originality as possible. This is like others that I get. It's got a lot of dry rot, people putting putty, you name it, and then varnished over it, but we'll take care of all that. She's getting a lot of separation, which means a lot of the fasteners and the structure needs some help on. You walk down here, you get into the cockpit. I'll give you a little bit more of a tour. These things have a lot of room. They typically are 11 passenger, which is a pretty good size for a wooden boat. These were kind of the envy of all the other boat manufacturers at one time because they were the largest runabouts built. You can see there's a lot of room. 2 cockpits, a midship seat, and then of course your engine hatch, and then a full back seat. Gives you a lot of room. Fortunately, the interior planking is in pretty good shape. Hopefully I can salvage all that. But more than likely the rest of the wood on this boat's going to have to be redone. Just use it for patterns. And anyway, next time we'll talk about the one I've already got done. And I hope you enjoy these. Thanks.